Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a carousel post on Instagram. And this is very simple if you will do the following steps that I will show you. Alright, first tap on the plus icon in the bottom, and from here we want to select more pictures than one. So if we tap on this icon on the left side of that picture icon, we can select pictures if you want that. Alright, now unselect that video, and now I can select in the right order which photos I want to use. Alright, if we tap right in the bottom on this picture, then this is the first picture that I want to post. Then this one is the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. These 5 pictures I want to post, so if I tap now on next, we can tap on next and tap on share. You see that if I swipe from right to the left, that we have posted more pictures, aka the carousel post, and this is exactly how this works. Alright, if you have questions, please comment them below, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.